Well, this morning, got a repair we're doing. As you can see, I got the blower wheel out, and this blower, let me get it out of here. This blower wheel is making a little noise. Sorry, I'm filming with my phone here. I don't have my camera. On startup, it sounded like the actual fins were coming loose. And as you can see, well, let me roll this out of here. There it goes. You gotta do your maintenance. This thing's growing some hair. It's like never been maintained. So, and this is in a modular home on a Miller furnace. Did a heat exchanger check and that checked out okay. But you gotta do your maintenance. Now this, you know, it's I don't know. It's you gotta do your maintenance. We'll get this cleaned up, put back together. We've got a brand new wheel. Gotta do the inducer motor at the same time. But yeah, that's gonna affect your cooling, and it's gonna tear up your blower motors. I'm surprised this one still works. That one's got a little, we'll get that cleaned up too. So yeah, just do your maintenance on your blower wheels. They get pretty nasty. Alright guys, like and subscribe.